In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your manuscript with Google Docs. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your document is professionally formatted and easy to read. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your manuscript in Google Docs. Once you have the document open, your first task is to highlight the text that you want to format. This can be done by clicking and dragging your cursor across the desired text. With your text highlighted, you'll want to copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, we'll focus on the font. Head over to the font drop-down menu at the top of the screen. It's crucial for your document's readability to use a font that's clean and professional. For this, we recommend selecting Times New Roman. After choosing your font, it's time to adjust the size. Increase your font size to 12. This size is standard and widely accepted for manuscripts, making it easier for editors to read and provide feedback. Moving on to the title of your document, it's important to give it the attention it deserves. Go ahead and highlight your title, and then from the toolbar, select the option to center it. Centering your title helps it stand out on the page. Additionally, if you'd like, you're welcome to create a separate title page to give your manuscript a more formal feel. After setting up your basic font and title, let's adjust the spacing. Double spacing is preferred in manuscripts as it allows for ease of reading and provides room for notes or edits. To set this, look for the line spacing option in the toolbar and select double. You'll notice this gives your text a bit more breathing room on the page, making it much easier to digest. Now, locate the Format tab in the menu bar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find Align and Indent. Click on this option and then select Increase Indent. This adjustment is especially important if you're structuring your manuscript into paragraphs or want to add emphasis to certain sections of text. As we're nearing the end of our formatting journey, you'll need to access the File menu. Click on it and choose Page Setup. Here, ensure that all your document margins are set to 1 inch on each side. This is the standard margin size, and it helps maintain a neat and uniform look to your manuscript. Once you've set your margins, go ahead and click OK to apply these changes. And there you have it. You've completed the basic format of your manuscript in Google Docs. This setup provides a clean, professional appearance that's ready for any editor or reader. Thanks for following along, and make sure to check back for more useful tips and tutorials.